Well, I fixed the BSA this summer. I have to replace the frame. I picked up this little gem. It's not really vintage, but it is. If you're born in '67, it wasn't vintage then. But 1982 BMW R100RT. And I gotta say that it doesn't shift into neutral as easy as the BSA, but it rides a lot like a British bike. The larger 1000cc engine has a much more central mass than the lighter boxers, so I don't find it as tippy. I've got it set up here with radar detector. Got the Krauser bags that I've done a repair on. They were cracked here where they always crack, I guess. And so I did a bit of a BSA repair on that. Put a tank bag on it. 50% off sale this week at a British bike shop that's closing out in Vancouver. It's got the South African aftermarket pipes on it. I'm pretty sure. I'm not quite sure. It's got the brand new barrels with Nicosil, new heads. It's got 132,000 kilometers on it, so about 90,000 or 80,000 miles. And it was rebuilt at 95 and fully redone. It's got the radar detector on the front and the back. Fixed a crack up here that you can't notice now. Full fairing. Lowers. Has the 450 watt alternator from Europe put into it, as well has this new starter from Europe. Spins a lot faster. Electronic ignition. Dual plug conversion on the heads so that it fires on all gas. Running it on just unleaded right now, just regular unleaded, not high octane or anything. Was told didn't have to do that. Accelerates extremely well for a big bike. I was riding the Rotax 650 BMW, but it was a lowered version, so it was cramping my legs. And this is the alternative for the summer, so I think I'll be keeping this for a long time. And it has the 3211 gearing, so it has the Autobahn police bike gearing on it, and a new clutch. Neutral is pretty hard to find, but I'm getting used to rolling stops with neutral while I'm rolling, so preparing at lights if I need to get my hand off that clutch. Very light bike, a lot lighter than I expected. Was able to prevent it from falling over today, and I'm going to load a clip of that next that you all should get a good laugh out of. Anyways, been pretty good. BSA's in the garage. It's going to get repaired. I've gotten a new apartment, new one bedroom, so a bigger space to work in. And I've got a new garage I'm working on too. So there we go. 1982 BMW R100RT in the 441 garage.